Hello everyone. Today I'm going to briefly talk about me and also what I learned from this class. So the first thing I want to talk about is myself. So hi guys, my name is Yunxuan Shi and my English name is Simon. I come from Beijing, China. I love sports and I'm an outgoing boy. I love hanging out with my friends and also playing sports. I love playing basketball, badminton, and snowboarding. I'm a big fan of snowboarding, and this picture you see is when I snowboarding with my friends in California, and also looking forward to go snowboarding in Ohio State. I'm studying Fisher College Business right now and learning marketing. I also love music and movies. Um, because I only post one picture here, it doesn't mean I didn't love other things. I also love music and movies. My favorite music artist is Kygo, and my favorite movie is Pacific Rim. And also, I'm gonna talk about something else. So, those three technologies is what I learned from this class, and also some software that I think is useful to my study. And the first thing is the Trello. So Trello is a very useful software. I learned through this lesson that the software is a very good learning software. The software is like a task manager that allows me to write down the items I need to complete, so I can easily notice that the tasks I have not complete, so I can do it better and do it on time. It is also very colorful and does not look like momentous, and it is also easy to distinguish from each other assignments. So this picture here is the Trello software, and I think it's really useful. And the other two is what I think is very useful to myself, and I found out when I study. The second one is Grammarly. So because I'm not a native speaker of English, so I really love Grammarly because I often make Grammarly mistakes by myself when I doing writing homeworks, and so the software is very good to help me correct some grammar mistakes and also teach me how to make the sentence. And when I have a lot of writing assignment, this is very good for me. It helps me to improve the quality of my own writing and at the same time to learn what is wrong. I have gained a lot of knowledge through this software. And the third software I want to introduce is Notability. Because I use the iPad to take notes, so it's really easy for me to use the Apple Pencil to write down Notability. So when I download the PowerPoint from the professor, I can easily make notes on the PowerPoint. So it's really easy for me to memorize and also to review the lessons I have learned. So it's really very useful software for me. So this picture is the Grammarly, and it can teach you what is the wrong sentence and what is the wrong word. And this one's the Notability. And also the three takeaways what had from this class. So first one is this is an online class, but I learned a lot because the online class is really you can learn from every time, and it doesn't really need to be a specific time. And also what I learned is a lot of software through this class. It's very useful for me, and I can easily get used to it, and it's really can improve my uh, scores. And the third I learned is I can make a lot of friends in this class because on the discussion board we can discuss about what I learned from this class and what are the takeaways of this class and what is the mistake I have made from this from the previous assignment. So I think it's a really good way to chat with each other and to talk about what is something I did wrong and what are some pros and cons that I make from this class. So I think it's really a good class, and I have learned a lot. I enjoy the time I have learned from this class, and thank you all for hearing me that, and yeah, thank you so much.